Good morning.
It certainly is. Lovely and dry. A little bit crisp in the air, but really quite nice at the moment.
Ooh, my face is cold. I wear a mask all day.
Yeah.
At work. And then of course it's sensitive. Well, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to get out on the quiet roads. Oh, birds singing. Was that good timing?
Yeah.
It's probably the same bloke.
Yeah, that's your mate. But he was wearing a high-vis jacket this time. This will be the 6 AM shift starters.
We haven't got the road tyres on today. Back on the gravels. Means we can go off-road if we want to. Find a little bit of gravel if we can.
Yeah, barrel scooter. So how do they get charged? Do they take them in at night? Just cut the corner.
There's the Bath Hotel with its pretty colour on. Whoa, turned into the wind there. Oh. We got off the cliff road because it was so windy. So we're on the parallel road to the cliff road. Oh, that was hard work. Got my heart rate back down there.
Well, I think the hotels are preparing themselves. Had a few emails with special offers already from sort of local family run hotels. So yeah, I guess they're gearing up. I don't know if they get advance notice on lockdown and travel or not, but the signs are hopeful.
Oh, that was hard work.
It was, wasn't it? Coming
Yeah.
up the hill. Into the wind as well.
Oh, that was so windy.
So we go left and right.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I tried it.
I know. The lights at Bournemouth Gardens there, Boscombe Gardens. Woo, this wind. If we'd have got there 2 seconds earlier, we'd have got taken out by a red light jumper. So you still got to be careful just because the light's green. It doesn't mean you're safe. In fact, green does mean proceed with caution, doesn't it? Or always did. Whoa, that is strong wind. Julie won't be liking this at all.
Getting out the door this morning, I feel like I had a fight with my shoes and my shoe covers. Have I said it's windy? You're not talking to me. You can't hear me. No, he can't hear me over the wind. It's an affliction that happens with age. It's called selective hearing. See, I got 4 red lights, my heart rate is at 166. I looked across and there's Mike pedaling along, 2 green lights. What's your heart rate?
136.
136. I'm working bloody hard.
I was thinking about getting some new windshields for the GoPros earlier this week. I wish I had now. These are getting a bit baggy, as they do over the months, and definitely letting in more wind noise now. Tear down the dotted line. Not into this wind. Oh dear. I hope this wind direction doesn't change before we head home. All right. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, she can't resist it. Tailwind and nobody about. Yeah, I think between the wind and the cold, all the puddles have dried up. Is that cold, was it?
Not when you've got the wind behind, no. Oh dear, that was bleak out on that cliff top. Oh.
Looks like we're going to get a sunrise. I'm sure I'll have trouble keeping up with Julie on the way home, but for the moment she's really struggling, I think.
I'll let Mike change the lights and I'll catch him up. How's your new helmet?
It's good.
Yeah?
Thank you. That was decent of him. He knew he was going to have to swing onto our side of the road. Yeah, so Muddyford Quay. And this is where the the entrance to Christchurch Harbour is. They call it the Run, or it always that's what it was called when I was a kid, but anyway. So you'll see some very strong seas just here, because it's where the yeah, it gets quite shallow through the Run at certain times. In fact, there's a sandbank over there to the left. It's a very specific channel.
Woo! Look at that! That's so pretty! I don't think I've ever seen a sunrise of that red. God, and it's so choppy! Oh my God, I'm gonna go and hide behind that wall. That didn't help.
Well, there we go, we got a sunrise over the Isle of Wight. We got stormy rough sea.
That's racing.
It is, isn't it? Right, onwards.
Ooh-wee.
A little bit more into the wind and then we turn for home. Well, we've got a sunrise for sure. Red sunrise. I can actually hear the sand hitting my helmet. It's the sand blowing off the sea, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, okay, let's go.
Wow, it's a different game. A completely different game.
Soft pedalling at 18 miles an hour. Make that 20 miles an hour. Why can't all cycling be like this? Well, I don't know if there'll be any yeehaws today, but you've definitely had a wee.
Cue the lights. Come on, you can change. Come on. Come on. Yeah, they're just about to change. Come on. Yeah. Didn't even need to unclip.
Is it working?
I don't know.
Well, all that headwind shenanigans has cost us time, so we need to get a little bit of a shift on to get back in time for work.
Because of the wind, it took us much longer to get to Friars Cliff. Oh, we didn't actually go to Friars Cliff, we went to Avon Beach.
Even though it's our priority here, cars won't stop for bikes. No, you see, they just plough straight through, even though it's our priority.
Yeehaw! Can't find the button. I think it's too cold. Nope. Can't do it. Can't switch it off. Oh well, somebody said about bloopers. There's one.
Yeah, we'll have that one. Right, let's not run this runner over.
Still can't do it. Well, if you've watched this far into the video, thank you for watching. See you next time.